Hi there everybody, on today's video I have this VW Passat state version. This is a 2006 and I just need to change the indicator bulb that is in here. So it's not that difficult. There is a Phillips screw on the side, just in there. If we remove that Phillips, this cover will come out. So you can see the little screw is just there. This cover comes out. And then basically, if you get your hand underneath here, and we need to twist it like I'm doing, you can get access to this bulb here. This is our bulb here, and if you press it down and twist it, you can take it out. And this is what we need, one of these basically. What does it say here? Three five. This is a, what is it? 356 Phillips H21W. I'm gonna check if I got any of those in stock. Okay, so I haven't got a new one at this moment, but I think this goes without saying. You get the little bulb, put it in there. It will only fit one way due to the little pins in there. Okay, get it in there, push it down and twist it, and that's it. And then obviously get it back in there. You can just about see it through the glass in there. So you just want to get it in there. You will feel it once it's sitting properly, and then twist the mount clockwise, and that will secure it in place. And then just get your cover here with the one Phillips. I'm not gonna fit it now because I need to change that bulb. So that's pretty much it, and that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps.